Hello Facebook ads people. So today I have a very small video with a very small fix that you need to do in your catalog campaigns. So what are the catalog campaigns? You can press create here, and instead of conversion campaign you have a catalog campaign. You are having several products that you put in a catalog, and then you're actually creating a catalog campaign which is actually targeting people with whatever they have seen to your store. So if you have 1000 products and you do a catalog campaign, most probably you want to use it because it's actually going to take only the items that somebody has seen in your store and actually retarget the person with a carousel ad which is going to show only these items. But there's a small mistake that a lot of people do, not because they want to do it, but because Facebook is actually hiding some of these settings very well. So a lot of times I get this question that my catalog ads are not working very well. Okay, so after you do this a dummy catalog campaign, you can come here, you can see that you have two options. Either you're going to retarget ads to people who interact with your products and of Facebook. This is one of the options. The other option is that you can actually put your own targeting, your own custom audience and everything. But a lot of times people, especially amateurs, that they don't know all of the settings, or they are afraid and they want to use the default settings, they pick the first option. So when you pick the first option, here you can see that it has a show more option. And as you can see here, it says United States because this account is set in United States. A common mistake that I see from people from Canada: you have your ad account listed for Canada because your company is in Canada, and then you advertise in the United States. This one by default is going to be set on targeting Canada. So if your audience and the people that are buying from your store are from the United States, you need to set up your ads in a way that is going to target the correct country and not the default country of the ad account. So this is a small fix. This is what you should do if your retargeting campaign is not working as it should and you're seeing zero results. Most probably this is something that you haven't seen and you want to fix as soon as possible in order to start getting better results. And the next time, be careful always to click the show more options to everything that you see inside an ad set, because Facebook is hiding very well some of the most crucial settings over there. I will see you in a future video.